everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a stunning 1966 Pontiac Lemans convertible. This is a GTO tribute car, guys, and it is gorgeous. Finished in Lemans blue. It's got the black vinyl top, or black convertible top, black vinyl interior. This car just underwent, as a matter of fact, 3 years ago, it was a complete frame-off restoration. Gorgeous car. It's got all professionally built 400 cubic inch, 390 horsepower engine, 400 trans, 12 bolt, 355 rear end. It's got the box control arms. It's got Hotchkis 4-corner shocks, big front sway bar, rear sway bar. This thing drives like a brand new car, man. Really nicely done car. Gorgeous paint on it. You can see it's actually got 15-inch Rally 1 wheels with BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. It's got air, custom wiring harness. Nice car, guys. Really nicely done. Chrome and stainless are, I mean, all this stuff is an excellent. There's very few things you can actually nitpick. I think, yeah, there's a little, you can see a little touch-up mark there. Other than that, man, you're just absolutely nitpicking this car, because this car is slick. It's got a healthy 400 in it, nice and tight. I mean, you get in this thing and drive it, there's not a squeak, there's not a rattle. This thing is awesome car. Glass is nice. They've just done a beautiful job restoring this car. Bucket seats count, that dash insert is all brand new. It's got the rally tach and gauges. It's got all Bluetooth custom radio in it with a box in the rear, power top. You know me, I'm not a real radio guy. Matter of fact, we can't even figure out how to get the thing to come on, but I'm sure the radio guys, you guys that are into radios will know how to work, but I guess it's all Bluetooth and everything. You can see how nice and chrome and stainless is. This car is slick. Nice and straight down the sides. Got a little bit deeper rally ones. Gorgeous car. Took some real nice pictures of the car underneath for you. Pretty car, guys. Power front disc brakes. This is a, I think it's a 69 date coated 400. It's got a comp cam in it, Melling oil pan. I've got all the stuff for the interiors. That's all. We got all that in the trunk. It's got a Holley 4-barrel, Edelbrock aluminum intake. It's got Doug's long tube ceramic headers, power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got vintage AC. It's got a 400 turbohydrmatic trans. Car is detailed up, very nice. Brand new radiator with dual electric fans. AC blows cold. Pretty car. Stainless is nice, new door handles. It's got all the black vinyl interior in it. It's got the custom kick panels with the speakers in it. interior lights work. Sorry, man, I can't talk today. Bucket seats, console. It's got the wood steering wheel. It's got all the correct Fisher body seat belts in it. Again, this dash is all brand new. Look how nice this is. 85,405. That's actually the original miles on the car. But there's less than 1,000 miles on the car since the car was done. It's got an H-pipe Flowmaster dual exhaust system in it. Again, 10-bolt 355. I'm sorry, 12-bolt 355 limited slip rear end in it. It's got the box control arms, 4-corner, Hotchkis. Shocks all the way around it, front and rear sway bars. There's this is everything on the engine. Again, it's got a comp cam, spare. It's got all custom sound system here in the rear. It's all spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. Gorgeous car. Again, the car's real nice underneath. It's all detailed underneath there. We've got some good photos for you. We'll post online. New seats are all repadded and foam. Like I said, at 400 turbohydrmatic trans. I'll have Jay fired up here. Air blows cold. They just kicked your air on. I don't know if you heard it click on, but tach's functional, your gauges are all functional, fuel gauge is working. Oh, put your top up, Jay. Other way. There you go. And that's all new. That's good, Jay. It's got the plastic rear window. It's in good shape, new top. I don't know if you can see those. Oh, it's got, you know, I forgot about that. It's got the directional turn signals on it. Reverse lights work. Or sequential turn signals on it. Car's got a great sound to it, man. I'm not real sure how that works. I know it's all Bluetooth. I think there's a plug. Yeah, here's a plug-in for it. Blower motor works. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us through our Facebook or our Instagram page. Or as always, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That is a gorgeous car, man. It's gonna be a little cold, Jay. Have a great day, guys.